Whether you're new to compliance or not, no matter where you are or what business you are in, after this video, two things are certain. First, your search for answers on data privacy ends here today. And second, by the end of this video, you will go straight to the footer of your website and check that tiny link that you have never noticed before, the one that says Our Privacy Policy. So, are you ready? Then answer this. Like most businesses, do you also believe that your customers only care about your products or services? If yes, then what I'm about to ask you next will make you think differently forever. Imagine this. What if today you received an email from a customer that says, Hey, to avail your products or services, I shared some of my personal information with you, but now I'm a bit nervous, so I need to know, how will you protect my privacy? What will you say? Or let's say, what if a regulator reaches out on behalf of that customer and they ask you, whatever is written on your privacy policy page, how do you actually do it? What will you show them? But if you ask me what I really want to know, then my first question to you would be, do you even know what your privacy policy says? Have you ever read it? Or did you hire just some freelancer randomly, or maybe use your favorite AI to write that page for you? Perhaps something similar to what your competitors are probably using. But do you know what answer does the law expect? Very clear and straightforward. Can you or can you not actually show whatever you have published or promised on the policy page? Can you prove it with evidence or not? Simply yes or no. That's it. And if your answer is no, then you need to start working on this before it becomes a reputation problem for you and your business, or maybe a legal one. So if you're still with me and you're really eager to know what to do next, here it is. Right from now, every single time, apply this three-layer approach before you ask your customers or your users for any personal information. Layer 1, know exactly what information you need and also what you already have. Layer 2, justify it. Layer 3, record it. Because if it's not recorded, it doesn't exist. Do this by default. So when a regulator or a customer reaches out, you are not scrambling. You have a record ready to show right there in front of them. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually do this? Where do I even start? Do not worry. That's exactly why I'm here. My name is Ankit Bhargava. I'm a CIPP certified data privacy professional and an EU registered DPO. And on this channel, I create simple practical videos to help you start your data privacy journey from the very beginning. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because I've got a lot more coming and I don't want you to miss it. And yes, if you're looking for a personalized support, something specific to your data privacy or AI ethics obligations, you can connect with me on LinkedIn or visit my website. Both links are in the description below. Let's talk. I'll be more than happy to discuss your compliance requirements. For now, try applying that three-layer approach I shared with you today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.